Welcome to Perplexed, the digital university that is revolutionizing the way students learn and connect with their peers. At Perplexed, we understand that traditional education can be limiting, and that's why we've created a platform that is tailored to the needs of modern students. Our platform offers a wide range of resources and opportunities for students from high school to postgraduate level, including access to educational content from top universities around the world, information on ongoing hackathons and competitions, and a community platform for students to interact and collaborate. But that's not all. We also offer a unique feature that allows students to design their own courses and share them with the community. This encourages creativity and knowledge sharing among students and sets us apart from other e-learning platforms. In addition, Perplexed also provides tokens, degrees, to students who complete certain courses or achievements on the platform. This can provide students with a tangible recognition of their learning and achievement. We also hold bi-weekly events such as lectures, workshops, or hackathons, providing students with a more interactive and engaging learning experience. And job opportunities for students to gain practical experience in their field of study, which can help them connect with potential employers and gain real-world experience. But that's not all. We also offer a paid subscription feature that provides students with access to curated course content for specific subjects sourced from top universities. This allows students to have a more tailored and specific learning experience. In summary, Perplexed is a comprehensive digital university that offers students a wide range of resources and opportunities to further their education and pursue their interests. With our unique features and community-based approach, we're making education accessible, engaging, and valuable to everyone. So come join us, and let's revolutionize the way you learn.